sitting on my bed, packing my bag. Hoping that someone calls me back, planning my next trip on a map, alone and traveling round the world. And I would wish that someone asked me to stay, because I'm getting tired of walking away. My only destination is hope, and I'm missing home.
I never knew when today could be warm, until I find you into the store. I never knew when the night could be sweet, until you swept me up from my feet down. The races, cup smiles. Shotgun eyes, someone like you.